All right, good morning. I am getting started. Just pulled out of my driveway, and what I'm going to do, I turn on 5 apps. Before I turn on the apps, I'm going to give my car a little spritz of Ozium. There we go. A little spritz in the back. Excellent. Car smells great. Got a 321 miles of range. Good. Okay, the 5 apps are, we start off with Spotify. So Spotify, I want to put it right there on Jay's Morning Vibe. You can see that up at the top. So that's ready to go. Then we're going to put on podcasts, and we're going to listen to The Big Picture, talk about Alien Romulus, a new movie that came out. Next, I'm going to turn on Waze. Now, Waze I can only use with Uber because Lyft now forces their proprietary GPS system down our throat. I don't like that. But when I use Uber, I can still use Waze. Okay, now let's go. Lyft. Let's see. Anything special with Lyft today? There's a turbo of 20% at 5 o'clock. As you can see up the upper left-hand corner, it's just coming up on 3. Nothing special. So we're just going to go online, fire that one up. And Uber. Let's go Uber. And I got 2 messages or 2 opportunities. What do we got here? Ooh. Today, 5:20, got an airport ride. And I like this one. So I'm going to take this one. Accept this reserved ride. I'm going to be online. Got it. From Roseville to Sacramento, and I make $25 for a 23-minute 23 MI. I don't know if that's minutes or miles, but it should take about 25 minutes to get there. So that's about a $60 an hour ride. So I've got that, and I'm going to go online, and that's it. So as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apps, and that's typically how I start. I generally drive with the Uber app up like this because they give you so little time to make a choice. So this way, if this one pings, I can see it right away, and if it's a Lyft, I go like that. All right, so that's how I start. I'm going to head towards the casino. Let's go. Let's crush it. The goal today is 6 hours, $180. Okay, 6 hours, $180. Boom.